Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back again with another interesting YouTube tutorial in which we will see how to add cards to your YouTube videos. Okay, so if you are watching my video for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get into our video. First of all, you have to go to your YouTube studio, okay? So I will go to my YouTube studio, and after that just select the video where you want to place your cards. So I will go to content, and here I will select this video. Okay, so I will click on this details, and after that if you scroll down, then here we have found the option of cards. So you can do all this process on your Android phone too, so I will make another video for that. For now I will click on this cards, and here you can just drag the position where you want to place your card. Okay, and at the top you can see we have got four options, so you can set these four options as a card. For example, if you want to add a video, then you have to click on it, and if you want to add a playlist, then you can also do from here. Okay, and these are two other options. So I will click on this video, and after that I will select any of my video. So I will select this one, and here you can see this is placed here, and for placing another card I will just drag the position here, and I will click on this card. Okay, and again I will click on video, so I can just place any video from here, and many times it happens that your video doesn't appear here, so you can just go to your YouTube channel, and from here you can also copy your video and paste it in the card section. For example, I will click here. Okay, and I will click copy link address, and I will go to my card screen, and here you just have to paste your videos link. Okay, so the card is placed here, and after that you just have to click on this save. So this is done. Okay, I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.